Children, have you noticed a circular mark on your arm which is permanent? It's of BCG vaccine. And do you know why you were given BCG vaccine after you were born? Well, to protect yourself from disease tuberculosis. And gradually, as you grew up, you were given various vaccines to protect yourself from diseases like hepatitis, polio, measles, etc. But do you know what is vaccine? Children, whenever you are given any vaccine, for example, say BCG vaccine, so the weakened microorganisms of same disease are introduced into your body through injection or drops. And the function of our WBCs or white blood cells is to attack the foreign microorganisms which enter our body. So whenever weakened microorganisms are attacked through BCG vaccine, our WBCs fight against those pathogens. And as they fight, they get practice of protecting yourself from TB disease. And as they have gained the practice, when actually the strong TB microorganisms enter into our body, our WBCs can fight against those diseases. And thus we get resistance to fight against that disease, or we get immunity to fight against that disease. Clear? Now children, at this moment we are waiting for corona vaccine. Now what this vaccine is going to do? Through this vaccine, weakened microorganisms of coronavirus are going to enter into our body, and we are going to get resistance against those microorganisms or pathogens. And whenever we are actually attacked by coronavirus, we will be protected against that disease, or our body will get immunity against that disease, and the chances of we getting infected by the coronavirus will be highly reduced. Is that clear to you? So microorganisms are also useful to produce vaccines. Microorganisms, of course, which are useful, are used to prepare vaccines. Clear? Also, some microbes are used in the process like tanning of skin. This process is taking place in the leather industry, and production of ropes from plants like agave. Agave plant is very rich in fibers, and from that fibers ropes are produced by microorganisms, which are very useful. Again, next point, some microbes are used to clear layer of oil on the surface of ocean or lake. Sometimes what happens, children, there is oil spill on ocean or lake, and which kills the other organisms in the ocean or lakes. This layer of oil needs to be erased. So how is it possible? There are some microorganisms which feed on the oil for its growth or for its nutrition. So such microorganisms are introduced on the layer of the oil on ocean or lake, and thus this layer of oil is vanished because of microorganisms. Next, farm waste, human waste, wet garbage is used to produce biogas and fertilizers by microorganisms. That is, process of decomposition takes place in biogas plant because of microorganisms, and methane gas is produced, which is used as fuel, and also fertilizer is or manure is produced, which can be used in garden to increase the fertility of the soil. Clear? So all these points we have learned while learning useful microorganisms.
So now, dear students, it's time for assignment. Please complete this assignment in your notebook, and after you complete, quickly write the answers of all 5 filling the blanks in the comment box given below. I hope you will do so. Waiting for your answers.
So that's all for today, dear students. Hope you have understood everything. So see you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, keep learning. Thank you so much.